or logistics website. Okay, so basically this will come with the front page, the company page that talks about the company and the services the company is into. You get, so it comes with the about us page, services page, news page, and the contact page. Okay, so let's go to the about page. Now this talks about the overview of the company, how long the company has been in business, and all that. So you go to the contact page, you see email address. You can put your email address in here, your phone number, your office address, a form for people to fill, and it gets sent to you. Yeah, so these are different branches and all that. You get, so this is a very beautifully designed front page for a delivery website. Now I'm going to take you straight to the admin dashboard. Okay, so this admin dashboard is where the admin of the logistics website gets to maybe create a tracking ID for a parcel, update this tracking ID, and send out tracking IDs. Okay, so I'm just going to get one that's already been created, and let's track and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the track page, and all I have to do is click on track. Okay, wonderful. So this is tracking ID that I just tried to track now. So this is sender's details, this is receiver's details, and these details about the parcel. Okay, this dispatch location, courier status, active. So you can choose if it's going to be active, if it has arrived, if it is on its way, or whatever. This dispatch date, the estimated delivery date, and current location. And current location says London Port. So I'm just going to pick a track ID, and we're going to track it and see what the track page looks like. Okay, so I'm going to click on track. Okay, and yes, now you see this is a tracking ID I just tried to track now. This is the sender's details, the name, contact info, email address. This is receiver's details. So all these things you can set from the admin dashboard. Okay, so these details about the parcel. Okay, what's the parcel description, the location of the parcel, is it active, has it arrived, is it pending, is it held, you get. So this is dispatch date, estimated date, current location. So you can keep changing the current location from the admin dashboard. Okay, now the beautiful thing about this particular Courier website. Okay, you could be using an add-on domain, or it could be your primary domain, but I'll be using a subdomain. I'm going to create a subdomain for this purpose. I'm going to call it let's say Transland. Okay, and I click on okay, so it has successfully created. So I'm going to access it now. So I'm going to go to my file manager and access it. Like I said earlier, if the domain name you are using is a primary domain or it is an add-on domain, if you go to your file manager, you'll see it pop up here, right? So mine is a subdomain, and you see I have my very own page. Okay, so this is the front end and everything. Now it's not complete yet. We need to customize the back end also so we can have access to it. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to create a database. Okay, so all you have to do is search for wizard. You see MySQL database wizard. Okay, we're going to create a database for it now. So let's say my database name is strands. Okay, I'm going to use the same as the user. Then I'm going to add a password. So make sure the password is strong, like they say. Okay, copy this password because you're going to use it elsewhere. Okay, then create user. Now I'm going to add the user to the database. Okay, so click on all privileges, click on make changes. Okay, that being said and done, we're going to go back to the file manager now so we can configure the database, the admin part. Okay, so I'm going to go to db.php. Okay, click on edit. Now you see these are the old details. Now we're going to change this to suit us. Now you see that password that you created for the database, you're going to paste it right here. Make sure you follow the instructions. See this db password, so you know that's where you're putting password right there. Then you see username. Now you go back, let's see the username that we created. Okay, yes, this is the username that I created. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to use it right here. You see username, db username. I'm going to do the same for the db name. Remember, I used the same name for the name and the user. I did not change it. So make sure you are putting it exactly where you should. Do not try to edit the code. Perfect. So all said and done, we're going to click on save changes, and that is it. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do now is upload our SQL database. Okay, so to do that, we're going to PHP my admin. So your SQL database, if you go to your files, it's right here under SQL. Okay, so you will find your MySQL database in this folder called SQL. So you click, and this is it. Okay, so all you have to do is download it into your system. Okay, you have to download it into your system. Now we're going to upload it into our database that we just created. Now the database we just created is this trans, yeah. So you click on import. So you click on import and you click on choose file. So this takes you to your system and you choose the particular file. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so just wait for it to upload. Okay, successful. Okay, so when you click on it again, you see the database tables. Okay, so you have the admin and you have the tracking. This is track all the track IDs that you have. Then this is the admin. Okay, so we're going to get the admin password and username so we can log in. Okay, so first I'm going to come here. I'm going to copy this and open it on a new tab. Okay, so let's get the admin username and password. Okay, so the username here is admin. So I'm just going to come here and paste this admin. The password is 12326. So 12345 6. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. Okay, so here you see the different track IDs that you have created for different parcels and all of that. Okay, so this says active, you see this one says picked up. These are different dates that you put and all of that. Okay, so you can delete, you can edit. Okay, so let's delete this first one. Delete successful. You see delete successful. Okay, so let's track this one now and see what it looks like. So we're going to click on track on the main page. So all you have to do is this is the track ID. So when you take the track ID from this dashboard, you go to your own page and you click on track. It takes you here. So you place your track ID and you track. Okay. So let's create a new track ID. So I'm going to click on add tracking. Okay. So let's go. So sender's name will be David. Let's say David Green. Sender's contact. Okay. I'm going to put phone number there. Sender's email. Okay, let's say. Okay. Address, sender's address. Let's say um okay. So let's say receiver's name is contact. So email, okay. Receiver's address could be anyway, just put the address of your choice, okay? Now this other info, this is for the package itself, okay? The parcel you are transporting. So let's say you have active, that's it's actively moving, it's on its way. Inactive means it has stopped. You get, you have picked up, you have arrived, you have delivered, you have on hold. So whichever one you want to use to describe the status of your package per time, you can just come and pick it. So I'm going to click on hold. Okay. So dispatch location, let's say okay, and package delivery, let's say big box of clothes. Dispatch dates, okay, let's just put, you see date is months, dates, year, okay, so put that into consideration. So let's say 24th 2022. Okay, estimated delivery dates, okay, you can say okay, and click on add. Voila, this is it right here. Okay, so you're going to click on this. So let's copy this and let's track it now to see how it appears. So I go back to my main page, I click on track, and this is it. You see? So this is the track ID I just tracked. This is the sender's name. This is the details. This is the receiver's details. Now this is the details of the parcel. So a big box of clothes, dispatch location. You see on hold, dispatch date, estimated delivery date. Now you see the current location is Amsterdam. Okay, so it takes me straight to Amsterdam. There's no specific location, so it just shows me like a full map. Okay, so we're going to look for, let's say, a location, let's say an address. Okay, I'm just going to pick any address. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, I'm going to use this address now. So we're going to go back to our admin. We're going to click on update. Okay, you click on update and you go to the current location and you paste the address you want to update with and you click. Okay, successful. It's been updated. Now let's go back to and let's check it out. Okay, so we're going to track the number again. I'm going to place this here. Voila. You see, it has changed. Now it's now more specific. You see, so it points directly to the address, the current location that you put. So this is not just like any other logistic or delivery website that you have seen. This is specially made to function perfectly. Okay, so if you're interested in getting this software, all you have to do is follow the descriptions in the description box of this video and you would get it. Thank you very much and have a very nice day.